uncle. Oh, hi. I'm the bad foot. Oh, no. I'm sorry for saying bad. I'm good. Well, there's an earthquake sound. Oh, my. The news keeps saying Sheriff Labrador's gonna arrest me. No. Oh, there's an earthquake. Let's get on the subway. It's my best friend, Puppia, Dobby, Sheriff Labrador, and Willie, and Mr. Scooter, and Duingo, and... Oh, yeah. Thank you for saying we're your best friend. Oh, you're welcome. Don't thank me. No? Well, thank you. Thank you. Hey, Sheriff Labrador, I want to eat your hat. Sheriff Labrador, please. I want to eat your hat. No. What eat? Huh? Oh, yeah, it's time to leave a comment. Sheriff Labrador, please go to my bank. And please, I love you and I want to kiss you and hug you with my beautiful toes. I'm so stinky and gross and beautiful and yucky. Try eating one of my Skittle toes. Wow, that's great. I love that message. Sheriff Labrador and Bird, Cathy and Dobby and Puppia will read it. No, and Willie and everyone will read it, and they will laugh with some tears. Yay! Well, I don't know about that. Tears. That's like. Oh, it's time to read this. I'm so exciting. Don't be too exciting yet, number block 1. Let's read it. Skittle toes. Wait, Skittle? Skittles. Wait, Skittle toes? Oh, wait. Skittle toes? Skittle toes? Skittle toes? Oh, no way. They must be so silly right this. Skittle toes. Oh. Yeah. Hey, Puppia. Eat some of his Skittle toes. Then it will hurt. Yeah. Then it'll be easy to arrest it. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Yay. Who's talking? Me. I'm Bird, Cathy. Somewhere here. Oh, hi. Today, I'm just going to get a little chat. Oh, from Sheriff Labrador. Let's see. Wait, what? No way. You heard Skittle toes. Yeah. Oh no, it hurts so much! Ow, my toe! Well, that's what you got for eating my feet. Who's saying that? Me! Who got flushed into the toilet? Me, I got flushed in the toilet. No! You. Oh, you're so yummy. Yummy plushie. Huh? Wait, some of you had tears? Yay! That was so happy! Yeah, who had tears? Red funny looking Rosita. Gross Elmo. Pink tiny big bird. Play-Doh. A hammer. A bite. No! Nom nom nom. Hey, Puppia, get out of the way or I'm gonna eat you. No, I don't want to watch. Wow. What is he actually playing? We're supposed to arrest the foot. Yeah, we have to arrest it, or it will do some more chats and get more hurt. You're right. I'm going to eat that owl over there, that green owl, next to you. Me? Doing no? I don't want to get eaten. No, no, no. This earthquake sound is still here, and we're trying to find the foot and arrest it. Right, Sheriff Labrador? So, this is where I took you, my friend. Oh, hi. I'm Bird Cathy again, at one of the biggest Elfway's castles. We were at Elfway for the whole time. Yep. And I live somewhere far here. At Toca Boca, yeah. My friend Blue Sunflower lives at Elfway. Oh, hi. I brought Sheriff Labrador and his friends and Mr. Skoda here. Today, we're doing something amazing. Do you know what a dancing eye is called? What? An umbrella! Okay. Oh, hi, I'm Bird Cathy. Sheriff Labrador already arrested the foot. Now, it's time to party! It's a goodbye party! Oh, yay! Yay! Oh, my brother's in the sewer! How can that be? Yay! I have my trip to the sewer! Yay! Yay! Bye!